Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to have Kraken rod easy method. Begin by traveling to the marked fishing spot and equipping a strong rod and heavy line. Then bait with the recommended lure and set your cast near deep water currents where Kraken spawns often occur. Watch for thrashing on your line and adjust tension carefully to avoid snapping while reeling steadily toward shore. Target deeper water currents and time your casts with the tide changes for best results. Cast slightly past visible activity, then maintain steady reel pressure and small angle adjustments to control the fight. Switch to reinforced hooks and stronger line when you detect heavy resistance, and always keep extra bait and repair kits ready so you can immediately try again if the line breaks or the lure detaches. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps. Quick recommendation. On another note, the new Kindle Paperwhite makes waiting for response enjoyable with its glare-free screen and long battery life, perfect for reading guides or novels between attempts. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Avoid common errors like using light tackle that snaps, reeling constantly without adjusting tension during sudden bursts, or using poor bait that never attracts big spawns. Instead, prepare gear upgrades, monitor your line tension closely, and keep high-quality bait on hand to maximize chances. And remember, patience is key. Rushes often lead to lost catches and wasted resources when attempting the Kraken rod method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.